Hey YouTube, this is Lucas Bentley and I'm going to do burping part 8. I hope you guys have been watching my other videos because that's pretty good. I had fun making them for you guys. I worked really hard on pleasing you, so I hope you watched them or are going to watch them. It'd be it'd make me feel a lot better. I hadn't had any reviews on them so far, so let's get started. Oh, major! How about this one? Hey, what's up, man? Ah, yep. I'm singing and just singing. Now, head fuck, puke. I'm gonna burp till I puke myself. No, I'd rather not get sick. But I will burp for you guys. How was that? Okay, you guys know the hump dance when you thrust your pelvis. I'm gonna slowly move my pelvis forward as I let my burp out. I'm gonna see if it actually helps me burp louder. Quite possible. It didn't work, sort of. Hold on. I'm having a seizure. I'm good. My gutter is leaking on my house. That's what you guys hear. If you guys can hear it trickling. Okay. I think we're. The number one thing to remember when you're burping is to. I'm sorry. Let me rephrase it. The best way to burp while burping is to. is to. The best way to burp is to. Oh, forget it, guys. I can't say it without burping. But the best way to burp is to swallow a whole bunch of air. I said it! I said it without burping. That's really missing the point of the video. But, oh god. It's the earthquake. Well, that actually made my body shake. Beast! Let's try a juicy one. Let's try a strong, bold one. Try that again. 3, 2, 1. I'm not quite there yet. I need to swallow a whole bunch of air. And a good way to do that is to auctionasta. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 100, 115, 120, 125. Sold to the men left. They say talking really fast and like that will make you burp a lot more. So I just tried that. No, it didn't really seem to. Holy shit! Holy shit! That was, oh my god. I gotta tell it again. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 100, 125, 130, 135, 250, 55, 275, 80, 80, 855, 60. Sold to the man in the middle left. Okay, I'm hyperventilating now. No, I'm not. I'm good. Damn. I did better the first time because I was talking faster. PT. I could really go for Little Caesars Pizza right now. You know they're saying Little Caesar on the commercial always goes pizza. So pizza. Fail. Sorry, I was waving hi to my neighbors, guys. So let's get this show started. Oh man, straining actually makes me. Oh god. Oh, don't do that. It causes major constipation. And it makes me want to get sick too. Okay. For some reason, guys, when I burp, I keep burping over and over until my body decides to stop. I really don't always have control over it sometimes. Right now, I think I have control. I still have control. Nope. Never mind. I don't. Now. Okay, guys. That was part 8. I gotta go. Part 8 burping. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And bye bye. See you later, guys.